Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. So I am doing a fill on my nails. These are only a week old, but there's still a lot of growth. As you can see, the retention is pretty good. My nails are still on, there's no lifting. I don't know if it's just me, but I kind of like the way slightly outgrown nails look. I'm going to take this coarse drill bit and begin filing away the gel polish and removing some of the bulk. Once I'm done, I'm going to sharpen my nails due to it losing its shape throughout the week. I'm also going to push back my cuticle slightly and go over my cuticle with the sanding band. following that up with one layer of dehydrator and one layer of primer. When applying base coat, I feel like the entire nail doesn't need to be covered, so I'm stopping halfway down the nail, then I'm going to cure for 30 seconds. Here's the polygel that I'm using today for the fill. This is the same color I originally had on for this set. I'm going to apply a bead at the cuticle and I'm going to press the bead slightly into my cuticle, also making sure to leave a small gap near the cuticle. I know I'm saying cuticle a lot, but we just really have to make sure that we don't flood it or we will get lifting. Then I'm going to drag and swipe down the rest of the polygel. I'm basically going to do the same thing on the rest of the nails, and I'm also using alcohol as my slip solution. I went ahead and wiped off the sticky layer with some alcohol off camera, and then I'm going to go over my cuticles to seal them, and I'm also going to even out the application slightly with a sanding band. So we're gonna do some gel art now. I'm taking some white gel polish from Beetles and I'm applying about like 2 to 3 coats on the nail. It's just gonna be one full color. For my pointer finger, I did mess up on the design. I started the French. I actually wanted it to be a solid white. Now I'm going to go in with my black gel polish and I'm going to create some stars on the pointer finger. And the art for this is pretty self-explanatory. You're just going to draw a star like you would normally. I'm painting one big star on the pointer finger and another big star on the pinky and 2 small stars on the middle finger and index. Once that's all done, I am going to finish the look off with some top coat, and I'm going to cure it in the lamp for 60 seconds. So here's how the nails turned out. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. I actually really like this design. I have everything I used linked in the description box. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.